with another specific agenda, and that agenda pertained to the letter of resignation that was submitted by Advocate Satish S.S. Pilgaonkar, who was legal advisor to this municipal council. The council very strongly felt that the appointment of Advocate Satish S.S. Pilgaonkar was illegal. In fact, it was done after manipulation of several rules, regulations and procedures, and therefore he was not really a legally appointed legal advisor, and therefore it was very necessary to look into what all he has done, because it may have put the interest of the Patna Municipal Council at stake. So while this inquiry is being carried out, the appointment of Advocate Satish S.S. Pilgaonkar is suspended with immediate effect, and all the files that have been entrusted to him will be taken back, and it is only after the inquiry is completed that his resignation letter will be considered. There are serious allegations that have been made against the functioning of Advocate Satish Pilgaonkar. It was observed that he has made available documents in his possession to parties who were unauthorized to use those documents, and such kind of behavior is amounting to misdemeanor. We also have observed that Advocate Satish was indulging in political activities at the time of the elections to the council. He was campaigning for a particular panel, and it is very pertinent to note that his resignation has come on 14/5/2013. That is, results to the municipal council were declared on the 13th, and on the 14th there was cause for him to give in a resignation. So this itself speaks volumes. Probably had the panel for which he was campaigning been elected, then he would not have had to give in his resignation. However, it is most unbecoming for a legal advisor to take part in party politics, to take part in any kind of campaigning. A legal advisor is expected to maintain his neutral position, and as Advocate Satish S.S. Pilgaonkar has failed to do so, we were compelled to suspend his appointment to the municipal council as a legal advisor. The Chief Officer Jayant Tari has erred very seriously in his appointment, and he can come into a lot of trouble if the matter is investigated, which it will be now. Because documents were manipulated, dates were manipulated, applications were predated. All these things are on record as it is.